I understand. Nobody likes insurance. Everybody always thinks insurance companies are out to get them. But there's something that's happening right now and has been for the past 9 months to a year that most consumers don't know about, that insurance carriers are doing for you, the consumer. And that's what we're going to talk about on today's Tip Tuesday. Hey guys, Mike Crowley here, and the coverage that I'm talking about and the thing that homeowners insurance carriers are doing for you, it's called underground utility line coverage. So forever, homeowners policies never covered all of the underground utility lines as they ran from the road all the way through your yard or under your driveway up into your house. You as the homeowner were always responsible from where the shutoff was up to your house. A lot of people don't know that. And homeowners policies always excluded it. But insurance carriers are coming to your rescue, and they're coming out with this coverage called underground utility line coverage. Usually starts with $10,000 of coverage, can go up to 20 or 30, and is as little as $30 a year attached to your homeowner's policy. Most insurance carriers are starting to come out with it. It's starting with the smaller regional carriers, and eventually we'll get to all the larger national carriers as they go through regulations to get this added to their policy forms. Let me give you a little bit more of an idea of exactly what is at risk and how much utility lines you have and what it might cost to rip it up. You can see all the different color flags here. Orange, red, yellow, there's blue mixed in. These are all the different utility lines marked so everybody knows exactly where they are located. You can also see this big pile right here where they've already dug up some of these lines. This is the kind of stuff that you are responsible for as a homeowner until now. To give you another visual, take a look at this where you can see each line marked exactly where it comes in or how it comes in and really how much you have and you were responsible for. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how important this coverage is, especially as homes start to get older and the water lines, the sewer lines, the electrical lines, everything starts to get older and potentially wear down. If you, as a homeowners, do not realize or didn't know that you did not have this coverage, or you're with a large captive insurance carrier who definitely does not have this coverage, nor do they have options to give you this coverage, give us a call. Contact us on our website or fill out a form below, and we'll be glad to help you make sure that you get the appropriate coverage needed in case something happens to you. And as always, thanks for watching. If you like this video, if it was helpful, please like it, share it, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It would mean the world to us. Have a great day, and we'll see you again soon.